An ice storm. Hello, and we are now having a nor'easter. As you can see right now, it is snowing. Actually, it's not snowing too bad out. I'll have to continue my day filming a little bit here and there, you know, some four-wheeling in the roads, you know. Alright, just figured I'd do this because I love weather. Alright, peace. Here's a better view. The snow has lightened up a lot. It's probably a little band that went through earlier. As you can see, it didn't start too long ago. But, you know. Oh, there's a little chipmunk enjoying. Never mind. Oh, there he is. Anyways. Here's a look in my backyard. They predicted differently last night. They said, well, now they're saying we're gonna get a lot more. It was supposed to change over to rain, but no, just ice, and then back to snow. I love snow. This is Route 125 that we're on right now, which is it's like a highway, kind of.
It's not that bad. The back roads are way worse.
Yeah, the back roads are worse.
Wait till you see this. We got the news up here.
Yeah, the news. Look, that's pretty nasty.
Yeah, you can't see up 120. Usually you can see all the lights.
This is where all the civics and shit hang out right here.
Yep, there's the news. The news truck is still there.
He is. Yep, the news truck. They're setting up.
Oh, they're definitely gonna film. Look, they got the light and the camera out there. That's sick. Oh, and I just lost all.
You should have peeled out in front of there like you were, I don't know. Oh, there's a oh, he's not there anymore.
How much do you think we're gonna get? Like a foot?
I think we'll get around a foot, you know, with ice. Look at that piece of shit. Look at that thing. It's such a piece of shit. Guy who's driving, it's like, yeah, I spent big money. Going down North Ave.
What would you do if you saw him like slide off into the front?
I'd be like, well, that's a piece of shit car. If it was a Prelude, it would have done the same thing though, so I shouldn't be talking.
Yeah, you don't have a manly truck.
So what do you think about this storm?
I'm glad I got a day out of school for it. If we have no school tomorrow, it'd be pretty prime, but otherwise, it's not as insane as it was last year.
No, but it's still fun. It's always fun. DJ out of body, my uncle's out of body, my dad used to run it too. They fought. And the alcohol and the women. Just kidding. Oh, your dad's back. It looks like he plowed too. Look at the bogus plow trucks. They think they're doing something. Like, yeah, we're gonna drive around.
Waste tons of gas.
Yeah, I know.
It's just gonna fill back up.
Well, they get free gas. So.
They plow and then within the house.
Outside, but get drunk, motherfucker, get drunk. 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 Who am I? I'm Bohagan, Bill me, represent a heaven sent a nigga who entered this cold in the winter. A step away from the top, a step away from the block, a step away from shooting or getting shot. Bitch, nigga, fuck that, you but we fuck that. What you think we could slang for some kind of stuff, yeah. Just cause some nigga was dead with his head leaking out, chicken red leaking out, now the bed sneaking out. Nigga, fuck it, what happened to Bucket and Hall ass? She was made cause I seen he was creeping in tall grass. I put some out bad, beat his ass, and eat his ass. Try to make that motherfucker leave immediately. that. I'm a pimp, I'm a gangster, all these are bullies. And I'm worldwide, baby girl, show me some love. We gon' drink real good and blow decent bud. But hey, we don't give a damn, we don't give a fuck. But what's that shit that you flowing on east side? But what's that clique that you represent west side? But what's that shit that you flowing on north side? But what's that clique that you represent south side? But get crunk, motherfucker, get crunk. 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 You from the south, my nigga, represent that shit. You from the Midwest, nigga, represent.
Dad's getting ready to go up.
Okay, so this is nor'easter here, okay? They said we were only gonna get 4 to 5 inches of snow. We already have 6. They thought it was gonna change over to sleet and freezing rain, right? Well, guess what happened? This cold front that went through here last night was so cold, it's just staying here. In 10 miles south, it's 34 degrees, and right here it's 14, I think, 14 degrees. And this is supposed to continue all night, so they went from like 4 or 5 inches to over a foot for a prediction. But you know what? Weather people suck. I mean, we have a good, I don't know, a good amount of snow. I'd say we have 6, 7 inches. And believe me, this is nothing. Earlier, it was a lot worse than this, and it's just getting worse, so, yeah. This is outside of my window. Yeah, my four season pool. So this will get much snowier and much windier, so very anxious, very, very anxious.
Okay. I'm not frightened at all. And Pat's driving by my house this morning. Every day she's got to go by the house. Middle of the storm, big blizzard. She's got the phone. She's saying to me, "I'm on the phone with John." You know what I'm saying?
I can't believe
That's what she's saying to me. She's driving by my house at 9 o'clock, and your father saw her.
In the middle of a blizzard.
Yeah. You are a problem. You are a problem. Come here, honey. Can you do some babies? Okay, quick, little buddy. Quick.
Okay. It's snowing a lot. And it's very windy. That's all I have to say.
At this point, as far as you know?
I'm told as far as right now, nothing.
Let's do 12 o'clock. That's Saturday, February 24th, right? Yep, 12 o'clock. And that's over at Mary Ann's, obviously. Allison, that would be fantastic. And if you do get a cancellation on the 23rd, you can call me out. I'll take that too.
What's cool about this storm is, because it gets so windy, it blows into the window thing. This is basically what it's like. You know, you just, doesn't look like a lot, but there's a lot going on. You know, you get tons of blowing snow. As you can see, it's pretty windy. Definitely not calm winds outside. So from the top of the house, you can't say that's not cool. It's freaking cool as hell. Just, I love how this looks. Oh, damn it, we missed it. This is probably a 40+ mile an hour wind gust. It was just, it was extreme. It was so crazy. It was just... Oh man, I can't believe I just missed that. That pisses me off. Definitely retarded weather forecasters. Holy hell. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Oh. Holy shit. Whoa. Whoa. This is some pretty intense snow. Yeah. Yeah, this is definitely a nasty nor'easter. Lowest barometric pressure in any storm that's come up here in 2 years. Which is insane.
I'm gonna hit the basketball.
No, the basketball was right there. You know, you don't do reverse and four-wheel drive. You did know that, right?
What?
You're not supposed to do reverse and four-wheel drive?
Yeah. Fine. I don't see why not, dude.
It ruins the transmission, I'm pretty sure. My dad told me that. It's not meant for reverse. I can't believe it's snowing this much. Like the way it looked earlier, it didn't seem like you're getting stuck in my driveway. You're getting stuck. You're in four-wheel?
I'm not parking in the driveway yet. I'm parking on the cul-de-sac because...
Are you kidding?
No one friggin'...
Oh, dude, don't it. Stop. You're gonna stop it. Oh yeah, you're in four-wheel drive.
Did it break?
Yeah. Caught on camera.
The H.
George H. Bush. For all the people who are watching this on YouTube and that don't get snow, this is why I love it. Look at that. Look at how smooth that looks. And it's just, look at that. The snow is like ice crystals. Because this isn't regular snow. Yep, it's mixing with sleet. Okay, it's mixing with sleet. Why don't you clear that nonsense off? You should probably clear that off, Alex.
No, that's fine.
Station from the bathroom.
Watch, the whole thing is gonna fly up.
What happened?
The screw fell out.
Because of the ice?
Yeah.
That's bogs. Well, thank God you have a truck. For the roads? Dude, this is a main road and they don't even bother. They tried. They tried and
It's supposed to
stopped.
snow till like 12. Right?
2.
2 in the morning? There's no way we're gonna snow.
Yeah, I told you. It's an impossibility. Another. Look at that. That's insane. All right, we are heading towards Main Street, Plastow, New Hampshire, which is Main to Main Street. And Miola's windshield wipers broke, so this will make for
some view, snow blowing.
There's the Plastow Public Library.
UPS stopped there because they got stuck.
Wow, this is awesome. It's sleeting now.
Yeah.
That's so bad. Sleet is so dangerous. For a second I thought you were sliding. We were heading to my friend Brian Sock's house, which he lives right there, which you can normally see because it's right there. But
And you would see his house. house.
Yeah, and it's right freaking there. He owns a corner store, which is like, yeah, there it is. And I can't shake the thought of you. Yeah, don't go to the corner store.
Oh, wow. Such an idiot.
What the hell? Look at these. Look at that. Playing hockey. Alright, we're going. He was up there playing StarCraft. I want to play now. We'll play tonight, right, Brian? So, Mio, what's your conclusion of the storm?
The only reason why I like it is because we don't have school. Everything else I hate about it.
Yeah.
Broke my windshield wiper.
What happened?
Ice.
The
Ice
ice
probably.
like ripped the screw out.
For
Got people to drive like 10 miles per hour like Mr. Zing Shang over here. XSNRG, what kind of license plate is that?
Don't worry. Wow, I love the way it sounds, so I'm glad I'm catching this on camera.
Holy shit, dude.
Yeah. Nor'easters, man.
We need one of those.
What an idiot. Seriously. Just wait till it's done. It's probably...
No.
They're saying there's probably going to be widespread power outages and stuff.
You ever think about putting a plow on this?
No. My dad says the plow though.
Oh yeah.
Damn. That sounds like it would like damage paint.
Holy F, dude. How fast you want to go around this corner? In a fucking blizzard. People don't know how to drive. Look at this person.
You know what someone said to me?
What is that, a little 4-cylinder?
Why would you even take that out in this?
Someone said to me that these storms are so pussy. I'm like, dude.
Who said that?
Some kid on YouTube on my other Blizzard video. I'm like, what the fuck? This is so bad.
I'm not parking in your driveway. I'm parking on the road.
You're gonna get plowed.
Dude, they haven't come in. They plowed this once like 5 hours ago.
Alright, well, don't park too close to the curb. You really should just park in the driveway.
Yeah, but your driveway sucks, dude. I'm gonna get stuck.
Go in reverse.
Woo!
Good idea. I could have done reverse, right?
Yeah.
Muslim had to park right here.
He always does. That's like his parking spot. Look at him.
He has a girlfriend. Holy crap, his first girlfriend.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the Muslim.
Dude, this isn't even regular ice pellets.
Look at this. Meals are stuck.
Yeah, no shit.
You're recording right now, right?
Yep.
You see this, ladies and gentlemen? This is called Plastown, New Hampshire, New England.
Dude, this is weird ass weather. Alright, hey, let's push him back.
Oh my god, this thing's going all up in my eyes, man.
Oh, that hurts. It hurts to hit you.
It does, dude.
It's hurting my hand because it's hitting my hand. They're like fucking little slices.
I didn't think it was gonna be this bad.
Me neither. They
Hell
didn't.
no, dude.
They said 3 inches. Ah! Ow! That hurt.
Holy shit, dude!
My brother John exiting.
This kid gets out fine.
Of course, dude. And they're both 4-wheel drive.
Oh shit!
Oh, god damn, dude.
Snow all up in my shoes.
All up in here. God. Oh, damn, dude. This ice hurts. My brother's awesome.
Dude, I love your brother.
Oh. Alright, he's plowing. Get back. Ah. Dude, that truck is so nasty. Oh, John's getting stuck. And he's in 4-wheel. Wow, it's because of the ice. Look at that.
Where's Meals going?
Look what you see right now. That's not snow. That's ice. It's just so insane.
Where's Meals going?
I don't know. What the hell? What a cheap ass plow job.
You could have done way better.
I don't think he's.
I don't think he even
How
tried.
is
He's getting
Viola
paid today
doing?
though, right?
I don't know.
You know what? Maybe the.
Oh, he's actually taking the. Oh shit.
You know what? Actually, I think I might do the same thing Miola's doing.
Yeah, you should. You really should. It'd be so much
Does
easier.
anyone want to come in the truck, get a first view of the Muslim driving in the snow?
Oh, Seth, I'm staying in my little safe hole. It's just way too.
Oh shit! Alright, I'll be back.
Oh my god.
Dude, sorry for that. Asshole.
Isn't this fucking hilarious? Oh, Meals is pissed.
Huh?
Meals is pissed.
Is he going away? Was that it?
Oh, what the hell he's doing? Oh my god!
What?
Stop. Fuck, we need to